Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will guide you on some basics of bull and bear crypto markets. So let's roll. The terms bull market and bear market came to crypto from a stock market. Nowadays, they can be applied to everything that is trading. Let's take a closer look at these terms to understand better what is going on in the crypto markets. What is a bull market? When you hear something about a bull market, it means that prices are rising or are expected to go higher. Usually, bull markets happen when investors and traders feel confident and optimistic. This phenomenon can be witnessed in times of stable economy growth, for example. The crypto market is a little more volatile than the stock market. Therefore, the term bull market in cryptocurrency usually refers to any upcoming trends and people's expectations. However, there are some signs of the potential bull run. Let's use Bitcoin as an example. Everyone who is holding BTC is expecting the bull market. What should they look for? Bitcoin should overcome two levels. First of all, it should break the sell wall. The next step is the resistance level. If Bitcoin is attacking the resistance level, we can say that it is entering the bull market. What is the bear market? On the contrary, when prices are going down, we are facing the bear market. It usually represents a generally pessimistic attitude. There are a lot of reasons for the bear market. It is often connected with economic slowdown or recession. As well as the bull run, the bear market can last for a very long period of time, for months or even years. Similar to bull markets, the bear market describes all the downgoing trends and the general investor's attitude. There is a chance to identify the bear market for a certain coin, Bitcoin for example. If the BTC price is about to break the first level of support, there is a huge possibility for it to start the bear market. Why are these crypto market trends called so? What do they have to do with animals? There are a lot of theories about the names, but the most widely accepted is based on animals' behavior during the attack. Getting ready to attack, the bull stands straight, puts his horns up high, and behaves very aggressively. On the other hand, the bear usually swipes down. Here are some recommendations for beginner crypto investors. First of all, get ready for crypto market volatility. When a coin is entering the bear market, the most important thing for investors is to survive this period. Try to avoid panicking and not get into debts. The next important piece of advice is to be prepared for loss. As with any investment, financial gains are far from guaranteed with cryptocurrency investing. For some financial advisors, crypto looks more like a lottery ticket than an investment strategy. So keep in mind this and only invest money that it is okay to lose. If you've decided to invest in the cryptocurrency market, it is important to do your own research before handing over any money. Learn more about cryptocurrencies, as well as the basics of how to make a trade. Going in blind just because you heard a lot of people are making money on crypto would be a mistake. Even if cryptocurrency as an asset class may be here to stay, it's impossible to know which cryptocurrencies will thrive and which will go extinct. So make sure to diversify and invest in different assets. By diversifying your portfolio, you can protect your funds from a total loss. And the final recommendation: aim to buy low and sell high. Try not to buy high and sell low. Keep in memory that you cannot buy the dips if you have all your money to invest already invested. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was useful and helps you to understand the crypto world a little bit better. Stay tuned and do not miss our next videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more educational videos from SimpleSwap.